children, good morning all of you. Today we will discuss about exercise 5.2, 5th chapter. Already exercise 5.1 completed. Today we will start exercise 5.2. Okay. See ma'am, find the first 8 multiples of the following. First one, find the first 8 and the first 8 multiples of the following. See, first one, 8 multiples. The first, see, the multiples of a number are the answers to you get in the multiplication table of that number. We can also get the multiples of a number by using the skip counting method, beginning with the number. For example, the multiples of, see, the multiples of the multiples of 8. The first eight multiples of the first 8 multiples of the first 8 multiples of 15 or see 15 multiples 15 multiples first 8 multiples of 15 యొక్క 8 multiples. See 15 table. Okay, we will write 15 table. 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 45, 15 4 ja 60, 15 5 ja 75, 15 6 ja 90, 15 7 ja 105, 15 8 ja 120. These are 8 multiples. Okay, 15, the first 8 multiples of 15. 15 యొక్క 8 multiples. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105 and 120. 8 multiples. See, 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 45, 15 4 ja 60, 15 5 ja 75, 15 6 ja 90, 15 7 ja 105, 15 8 ja 120, 15 8 ja 120. These are 8 multiples of 15. Okay, next, the first 8 multiples of 9. The first 8 multiples of 9. See 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63, 9 8 ja 72. These are 8 multiples of 9. Okay, these are 8 multiples of 9. Another one, 17. The first 8 multiples of 17. The first 8 multiples of 17. See 17. 17 table. 17 1 jar 17. 17 2 jar 34. 17 3 jar 51. 17 4 jar 68. 17 5 jar 85. 17 6 jar 102. 17 7 jar 119. 17 8 jar 126. Okay, these are 8 multiples of 17. 17 1 jar 17. 17 2 jar 34. 17 3 jar 51. 17 4 jar 68. 17 5 jar 85. 76 jar 102. 77 jar 119. 17 8 jar 126. Okay. See, find the 8 multiples of the following. These are first 8 multiples of given values. Is it clear, ma? These are the first 8 multiples of the given values. Second one. Which of the following? Which of the following numbers are not multiples of multiples of 9, not multiples of 8. Okay, not multiples of 8. See, we will take some values. 8, 24, 29, 16, 34, 32, 45, 48, 64. See, we will take some values. In these values, not multiples of 8. We will find out not multiples of 8. See, first 8 multiples. 8 factor multiples. See, 8. 8 1 jar 8. Next, 8 2 jar 16. 8 2 jar 16. 8 3 jar 24. 8 3 jar 24. 8 4 jar 32. 8 5 jar 40. 8 6 jar 48. 8 7 jar 56. 8 8 jar 64. 8 8 jar 64. These are 8 factor multiples. 8 factor multiples. Remaining values not multiples of 8. Remaining values not multiples of 8. See, 29. Not multiple of 8. Next, 34. Next, 45. Next, 51. These are not multiples of 8. Okay, not possible. 8 table, not possible in these values. Okay, is it clear, ma? 8 table, not possible these values. 8 1 jar 8, 8 2 jar 16, 8 3 jar 24, 8 4 jar 32, 8 6 jar 48, 8 8 jar 64. These are multiples of 8. Okay, these are possible of 8 table. These are values possible of 8 table. Next, remaining values not possible, not multiple of 8. These are 8 table, not possible. 29, 8 table possible, not possible. 8 3 jar 24, 8 4 jar 32. 29, not there. Next, 34, 8 table, possible or not? Not possible, 8 table. Next, 45, 45 also not possible in 8 table. Next, 51, 51 also not possible in 8 table. Okay, these are not multiples of 8. 29, 34, 45, 51. These are not possible of not multiple of 8. Next we will take another value. Not multiples of 13. Not multiples of 13. See, we will take some values. 13, 35, 39, 65, 72, 90, 104, 150, 170. These are the given values. 13 table possible values. See, 13 table possible values. First observe. 13. 13 1 ja 13. 13 2 ja 26. There are not there? Not there. Next one. 13 3 ja 39. 39. There are not there? There. So possible. Next. 13 4 ja 52. Not there. 13 5 ja 65. 36 ja 78. The given value is 72. So not multiple of 72. Next. 13 7 ja 91. Not there. 13 8 ja 104. Multiple of 13. Next. 13 9 ja 117. These are multiples of 13. 13 table possible values. 13 table possible values these are. But asking not multiples of 13. But what asking? Not multiples of 13. 13 table not possible values. 13 table not possible values. See 35. 13 table possible or not? Not possible. 35 not there in 13 table. Okay. Next 72. 72 also not there in 13 table. Next 90. 90 also not there in 13 table. Next 115 also not possible in 13 table. The values not there in 13 table. That's why not multiples of 13. 35, 72, 90 and 115. These are not multiples of 13. Okay. Is it clear, ma'am? Not multiples of 8. See once again listen. Which of the following numbers are not multiples of 8? See, not multiples. 18 table, not possible values. See, 8 possible. 8 1 jar 8. Next, 8 2 jar 16 possible. 8 3 jar 24 possible. 18 4 jar 32 possible. 8 6 jar 48. 8 8 jar 64. These are possible values. Not possible values. Where? See, 29 not possible. 8 table not possible. 34 8 table not possible. 45 8 table not there. 51 also 8 table not their value. 18 table not their values that are not multiples of 8. Next, not multiples of 13. See, 13 factors multiples. 13 3 jar 39, 13 5 jar 65, 13 8 jar 104, 39 jar 117. These are possible values. Next, not possible values. 13 table not possible values. 35 13 table not possible. Next, 72 13 table not there. Next, 90 also 13 table not there. 115 also not there in 13 table. Okay. Circle values not possible of given values. Circle values not multiples of the given values. Is it clear, ma? Okay. Next third one. Choose the correct option. Correct option. First one. Dash is a multiple of 14. Dash is a multiple of 14. See, 28. Seven, 16. See, dash is a multiple of 14. 14 multiple. See, 14. 14 1 ja 14. Not there. 14 2 ja 28. 28 there or not there? There. So 28 is a multiple of 14. Next remaining not multiples. Second one. Dash is a multiple of 17. 17 multiple factors. See. $24, 85, 42. See, dash is a multiple of 17. 17 table. In these values, which one is the possible 17 table? 17. 17 2 ja 34. The given value 24. Not multiple of 17. Next, 85. 75 ja 85. So, this one is the multiple of 17. 85 is a multiple of 17. 17 5 ja 85. Next, 42 not multiple of 17. Next one, the first two even multiples are the first two even multiples of of 7 are the first two even multiples 7 table. The first two even multiples of 7 are 7. First two even multiples 7 2 ja 14. 14 is the even multiple. 7 3 ja 21. 21 odd number. 7 4 ja 28. 28 even multiple. 14 and 28 are two even multiples of 7. Okay, the first two even multiples of 7 are 7. 7 1 ja 7. 7 odd multiple. 7 2 ja 14. 14 is the even multiple. Next 7 3 ja 21. 21 odd multiple. Next 7 4 ja 28. 28 even multiple. So the first two even multiples of 7 are 14 and 28. Okay. Next. Next two even multiples of 16. The first two even multiples of 16. See 16. 16 1 ja 16. 16 2 ja 32. The two even multiples. The first two even multiples. 16 also even multiple. 32 even multiple. The two even multiples of 16. Next. Nine. 9. The first two even multiples of 9 are. See, 9. 9 యొక్క first two even multiples. 9 ones are 9. 9 is the odd multiple. Next, 9 twos are 18. 18 is the even multiple. Okay, 9 threes are 27. 27 odd number. Next, 9 fours are 36. 36 is the even number. The first two even multiples of 9 are, see, 18 and 36. 36. The two even multiples of 9. Okay. Next, the smallest. The smallest multiple of 4 is. The smallest multiple of 4 is. See, 2, 4, 1. Which one is the correct answer? The smallest multiple of 4. Multiple. See, 2 2s are 4. 2, 1 multiple. Next, 4. 4 1s are 4. 1 is 1 multiple. Next, 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. These 3, which one is the smallest multiple in 4? These 3, which one is the smallest multiple of 4? 1 is the fourest multiple of 4. Which one? B. See, 4 1s are 4. This one, 4 1s are 4. So, B is the correct answer. 4 1s are 4. 1 is the smallest multiple in 4. The smallest multiple of 4 is, see, 2 2s are 4. 2 is 1 multiple. Next, the smallest, 4. 4 1s are 4. 1. 2 1 1 4s are 4. 2 1 4. Which one is the smallest multiple? 1. Which value? 4. 4 1s are 4. 1s are. 1 is the smallest multiple. 4 1s are 4. So, B1 is the correct answer. Okay. Next, the smallest multiple of 8 is. The smallest multiple of 8 is. See, 8 is. See, 8 multiple. 2 4s are 8. 4 is 1 multiple. Next, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Next, 1 8s are 8. These 3 values, which one is the smallest multiple? These 3 values, which one is the smallest multiple? 2. 2 is the smallest multiple of 8. So, these 3 values, which one is the correct answer? B. B1 is the correct answer. See ma, 2 4s are 8. Okay. 4 2s are 8. Okay. This one is the smallest multiple. 4 2s are. 2 is the smallest multiple of 8. Okay. Is it clear ma? Next, 1 8s are 8. These are multiples. In these 3 multiples, which one is the smallest multiple of 8? 4 2s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 4 is 1 multiple. Next, 4 2s are 8. 2 is 1 multiple. Next, 1 8s are 8. These 3, which one is the small value? 2. 2 is the small value. That's why 4 is the smallest multiple of 8. Okay. Now clear for that one? So B is the correct answer. Okay. Is it clear? Okay, ma'am. Today class completed. Thank you.